Hello my people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you come across this video. Untouchable Rejoice bring greetings to you all. Happy Easter to every one of you. Happy Easter, happy Sunday. Brother Mike just give birth to triplets today's Easter Sunday. My goodness, Brother Mike just give birth to triplets for this Easter Sunday. Oh my God. Guys, join me to wish Brother Mike congratulations for his triplets wey God just bless am with. God just dey embarrass am. Opening of house. He open house for mama, he open his whole house. Now God come bless am again with triplets. Wetin dey find wey God no come fit do, wey be say God no dey fit do for person. Say what God cannot do does not exist. Oh my God, I say I join Brother Mike's congratulations to you, Brother Mike. Oh, may this resurrection powers of Jesus Christ that resurrects, oh God, may He speak for you and your family. May the resurrection of Jesus Christ protect your beautiful triplet and your wife, and also you and your mother, your family. In the name of Jesus, may the resurrection of Jesus Christ speak for you more and more, for your favor, for your protection upon your family, upon these beautiful triplets. In the name of Jesus, upon your wife also. In the mighty name of Jesus. May your mother live long, continue to eat his fruit of his labor. In the mighty name of Jesus. Brother Mike, I say congratulations to you once again. Congratulations to you. Guys, followers, please join me to wish Brother Mike congratulations. Join me to wish him congratulations and Easter celebration to every one of you all that will come across this video. I say I wish you happy Easter. God bless you all. Please like this video, share and subscribe. God bless you all. Bye.
Yes, sir. Congratulations to only one Brother Mike.
Father. The latest father in town.
Father Abraham. Three wise men.
Yes.
Happy Easter. Three wise men. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. I'm celebrating Jesus Christ.
Yes, and the same time you are a father.
Yes.
With boys and girls.
Anyway, congratulations to me. My wife just gave birth to three twins, triplets. Guess.
Nah.
You nothing get to.
I don't understand.
Three picking up on them.
You know me, believe me. Now three guests.
Three guys that go was
Father of guests, your blood no strong. Oh. You know, also guests in the bone. Father. Yes. Yeah. Father of. Father. Yeah, Father. The latest father in town. Father.
Yes, sir. Congratulations to only one Brother Mike.
Father.
Father.
The latest father in town.
Father Abraham. Brother Mike is not Father Abraham. And Brother Mike is not Father Abraham. Jose Maria, I've done it.
Yes, Father, you are done well for yourself.
Okay, all my fathers will say, I thought we said congratulations.
Yes, Oracle. Father, congratulations. If at all.
the worst mistake where any man can make for life. You want
Wait.
You mad? You mad?
Wait, no, listen, no.
The worst mistake I want to.
Now let we of do this thing.
No,
Now let we of do
it. No, you get advantage. You get boys now. You know this guy cannot be from household. Hey, no, yes.
I'll slap you.
He does not cannot be done. Hey, congratulations. Hey, you have done well.
No.
Wait, Mike, be like hold on very down.
That's not me of this one now.
No. Anymore,
all the goers.
You know, easy to.
All the goers.
Maybe that ghost.
Now you tell them no, you don't pull. This is the latest father. Latest father. You see her?
You know,
Do like this. No, wait.
No. Samari. You tell somebody father. Huh?
Wait,
one of the finest
boy.
in the world.
We pick loose.
You told me to ghost.
see that. No, I want to answer. Wait, God wanted. Yes. But the man I think you don't get to yes.
Wait, Libo.
But no, you come here.
Libo. Hold on.
No. See, we are. Wait, Natu. Three children.
They play 3 girls.
That be like as it's small too.
They play that though.
Nah, lie.
They got 3 girls though.
I don't understand.
They picking up on
Wait,
them. You know me, believe me.
now 3 girls.
3 girls that go watch the
Nah, lie.
Remember,
I don't believe.
if I let me go punish me.
Nah, 3 girls. Nah, lie. You don't complete.
Seriously, wahala, I need help for Nigeria now. 3 girls for Tinubu regime, 3 girls.
No, so you don't get plan for motor.
That's my house.
No, I might not never fail.
Eh? Samari, no. What you mean of this rubbish?
You have done well for yourself.
Don't work.
Calabar.
At least they go tell
Calabar.
you, the bomb go marry.
Calabar. Make one video. It says so many men are living abroad. 40 years, 50 years. No nest of kin. Now you have plenty nest of kin. So celebrate.
See, my 3 children, and they tell they say the best position. Now don't do. Now, go and teach your daughter how to the beggar like this. Because that one the rain now. Because that one my son like. You know what you go up with? If my son you're close to school, I say brilliant. Let's go to Uncle's Mike house.
But I make us.
I'm gonna leave farm. Yeah, daughter gonna do pino that kind of thing.
Amen.
No, God don't do it. God don't answer prayer.
Yes.
All the things where you know what? God know the way they punish person.
Last year.
Wait, talk to me.
Last year,
first guess. So
but God dey bless am. Last year, open house for a mother. You open house last month for yourself.
God don't bless
Now pick again.
No, me happy where. The way God don't take the punish am with guess, me give am.
All right. Wait first.
Any man way too like him, mama. And so the God will bless am with guess.
All right, Nigeria, I need una help right now. I'm the father of 3 triplets. Guess. All of them resemble me. I swear, they all black. You are black.
Guy, you not dark. You dark. Very dark, but I make. Bro, Mac not dark. No. Wait. Officer. Mac, you need to open that. Mac,
I call my friends come for meeting.
Mac, open 10 page. Open 10 page. 10 page.
All my speaking, I'll give them one Facebook page. Nigeria will change. Fit me where. Nigeria will change. All my 3 guys. One Facebook.
I swear. Family, of course.
Let me ask you that.